Wrinkles? Sagging skin? It might not be your age, it could be your collagen breaking down. Today, discover how to rebuild collagen naturally and get rid of wrinkles fast, with real proven methods that most people miss. Before we dive in, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss powerful natural health tips. And let's grow this journey together. Your skin will thank you. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm, tight, and youthful. It acts like the scaffolding that holds your skin up. Without it, wrinkles to sagging and dullness creep in. After age 25, we lose about 1% of our collagen every year. Stress, poor diet, UV sunlight, and pollution speed up this loss dramatically. But you can stop and even reverse it. First secret, amla berry or Indian gooseberry. It's one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, vital for collagen production. Amla contains up to 600 to 700 milligrams of vitamin C per fruit, far higher than oranges. For even faster results, combine amla with a pinch of black pepper to enhance vitamin C absorption naturally. Blend 1 teaspoon of amla powder into your morning smoothie to boost collagen from the inside out. Studies published in the Food and Function Journal. How amla enhances pro-collagen production and protects against UV-induced skin aging. Prefer fresh? Chew 1 to 2 fresh amla berries daily for maximum antioxidant power. Eat silica-rich foods like cucumbers, bell peppers, and leafy greens. Silica is a forgotten mineral that strengthens collagen fibers, making your skin more elastic. Research from the archives of dermatological research confirms silica boosts collagen production and improves skin texture. Also add asparagus, strawberries, and brown rice to your diet for extra silica support. Make a DIY collagen boosting mask. Mix aloe vera gel, cucumber juice, and raw honey. Apply for 20 minutes. Bone broth is loaded with collagen, but the secret? Use grass-fed bones and simmer with apple cider vinegar for 24 hours to pull out maximum nutrients. Add garlic and ginger to the broth. They enhance collagen-building effects naturally. Collagen regenerates while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours in a dark room to supercharge skin repair. Use a silk pillowcase to reduce skin friction and protect collagen overnight. Red and infrared light therapy stimulates collagen naturally. Just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Clinical studies in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology show red light therapy increases collagen density and reduces wrinkles significantly in just 4 weeks. Start with a wavelength between 630 to 850 nanometers for maximum collagen production. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides are easily absorbed. Look for types 1 and 3 for the best skin benefits. Research from Skin Pharmacology and Physiology found that daily collagen supplementation improved skin hydration, elasticity, and density after 8 weeks. Pair collagen peptides with vitamin C for even better absorption and faster results. MSM, a natural sulfur compound, enhances collagen and skin elasticity. Bonus, it's great for joints too. A 2015 study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science showed MSM supplementation reduced wrinkles, improved firmness, and boosted skin smoothness within 8 weeks. Start with 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams daily, but always consult your doctor first. Sea buckthorn, a rare berry packed with omega-7, boosts collagen and reduces wrinkles. Studies published in Lipids in Health and Disease found sea buckthorn oil enhances skin regeneration and elasticity by supporting collagen fibers. Try cold-pressed sea buckthorn oil capsules or add a few drops to your smoothies for a skin glow boost. Infuse water with cucumber, lemon, and mint and sip throughout the day to hydrate and nourish collagen. Hydrated skin is plumper and less prone to wrinkle formation, according to the British Journal of Dermatology, 2016. Add a pinch of Himalayan salt for trace minerals that help with skin hydration at the cellular level. Sugar attacks collagen. Cut back on sweets to keep your skin firm and youthful. Glycation, a process where sugar molecules bind to collagen, causes advanced glycation end products, AGEs, damaging skin elasticity, as noted in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology 2010. Craving sweets? Swap refined sugar for raw honey or stevia, much kinder to your collagen. Sunlight breaks down collagen. Wear a natural mineral-based sunscreen daily. A 2016 study in dermatoendocrinology confirmed UV rays are the biggest external factor causing collagen degradation. Choose sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide for safe, chemical-free protection. Facial yoga tightens the muscles underneath your skin, supporting natural collagen structure. Northwestern University studies showed daily facial exercises for 20 weeks significantly improved facial fullness and reduced visible signs of aging. Try the cheek lifter exercise to plump cheeks, the jawline definer to tighten under the chin. Cold showers boost circulation and stimulate collagen production. Plus, they're energizing. Research in medical hypotheses suggests cold exposure increases blood flow and activates fibroblasts, the cells that make collagen. End your showers with 30 seconds of cold water to tone your skin naturally. Bamboo extract is rich in silica, even more than cucumbers. It's a secret weapon for strong, resilient skin. Studies published in Phytotherapy Research show bamboo extract increases skin hydration and collagen cross-linking, leading to firmer skin. Mix a few drops of bamboo extract into your daily moisturizer for extra collagen support. White tea contains enzymes that prevent collagen breakdown. Drink a cup daily with lemon for bonus vitamin C. King's College London study found that white tea inhibits collagenase and elastase, two enzymes that break down collagen and elastin in the skin. Steep white tea for just 5 minutes. Longer steeping preserves the delicate antioxidants. Dragon fruit is packed with antioxidants that shield your collagen from damage. Antioxidants like beta-cyanins in dragon fruit protect skin cells against oxidative stress, preserving collagen structure, according to a study in the Journal of Food Science, 2018. Add dragon fruit to smoothies, salads, or even as a colorful breakfast bowl topper. Copper is crucial for collagen formation. Eat cashews, sunflower seeds, and dark chocolate in moderation. Balance is key. Too much copper can cause toxicity, so keep it moderate. Gua sha massage improves blood flow and supports natural collagen rebuilding. Use gentle upward strokes on moisturized skin for best results. 5 minutes a day is enough. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, which protects collagen from UV damage. Cooked tomatoes, like in tomato sauce, boost lycopene absorption even more. Whisk 1 egg white and apply it as a natural tightening mask. Egg whites are rich in albumin, a protein that temporarily tightens the skin and smooths fine lines by boosting skin elasticity. Add a drop of vitamin E oil to the mask for extra antioxidant and collagen support. Pomegranate seed oil is rich in antioxidants that protect collagen and renew skin. Punicic acid in pomegranate seed oil boosts collagen production and reduces inflammation. Apply 2 to 3 drops nightly after cleansing. It works beautifully as a natural anti-aging serum. The Japanese diet, rich in fish and seaweed, naturally preserves collagen, and their skin shows it. Japanese diets are high in astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant shown to protect collagen from UV damage. Seaweed contains fucoidan, a unique compound that stimulates collagen production and fights skin aging naturally. Smoking destroys collagen faster than anything else. Protect your skin by staying smoke-free. Secondhand smoke can harm your skin too, so stay clear even if you're a non-smoker. Want a delicious way to boost your collagen naturally? Blend 1/2 cup dragon fruit, 1/2 cucumber, 1 teaspoon amla powder, and a scoop of collagen peptides with ice. Refreshing, powerful, and packed with collagen-supporting nutrients. Add a teaspoon of Sasha Inchi oil, a rare Amazonian oil packed with omega-3 that supports collagen and fights skin inflammation. Looking for rare herbal ways to boost collagen? Gotu kola has been shown to stimulate collagen production and speed up skin healing. Horsetail herb, rich in silica, strengthens collagen fibers and smooths wrinkles naturally. Drink horsetail tea or add go-to cola supplements daily to naturally renew your skin from within. Want even more secrets? Bakuchiol oil, a plant-based alternative to retinol, boosts collagen without irritation. Sacha inchi oil, rich in omega-3, deeply nourishes skin and enhances collagen resilience. Apply bakuchiol serum nightly and add a teaspoon of Sacha inchi oil to your smoothies for double skin benefits. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health routine. Now you know the secrets to rebuild collagen naturally and get rid of wrinkles fast. Comment below. Which tip are you trying first? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others glow naturally too.